Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire the highly sought-after Chenga Tome in Black Desert Online. This incredible item provides a permanent 30% boost to your combat experience, making your leveling journey much faster and more efficient. To begin this exciting adventure, you will first need to ensure your character is at least level 53. This questline is a fantastic way to explore various regions and learn more about the world. To kick off your quest for the Chenga Tome, you'll need to start the A Curious Story questline. Head over to Velia and locate Alustin, the alchemist. He will provide you with the initial quest that sets you on the path. Remember, completing the Media main questline is a crucial prerequisite, so make sure that's done before you approach Alustin for this specific adventure. As you progress, you'll encounter several important quest segments, including the Adventurer's Tome. This part requires significant travel across diverse regions such as Calphion, Camasilvia, and Dregan. You will engage with numerous non-player characters, solving riddles and completing tasks. Be ready for a journey that tests your knowledge of the world and your willingness to explore every corner. Finally, after completing all the intricate steps and challenging tasks, you will reach the culmination of your efforts. The very last quest will involve a conversation with the Black Spirit, who will then bestow upon you the magnificent Chenga Tome of Wisdom. Simply equip this powerful tome in your main hand slot, and you will immediately begin to enjoy its incredible 30% combat experience bonus, accelerating your progress significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.